Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott. I'm here at Guarantee RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon, today to show you a really great van from Coachmen. Now, the Coachmen Beyond is on the Ford chassis, which I've said in other videos I love them because I like the serviceability of them and the reliability of them, and also the fact that they have the 3.5 twin turbo EcoBoost engine, which is, powerful, and it's also really fun to drive. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at today. When you look at a camper van, most of the people who've had a camper van have already had a big coach, and they're looking for something they can get more use out of and more value out of, and that's what a camper van can do for you. It'll go camping, you can use it spontaneously because it's small, and it also doubles as a primary or secondary vehicle. So it's great, you can do a lot of different things with it. The other thing that's really cool about these things is that they last and last and last. So you never have to get rid of them. They don't have laminated bodies, they're all steel. They have great hull integrity. So that lends a lot of quality to the coach. I want to show you the inside of this Coachmen Beyond. It's a very exciting rig, I know you're going to love it. Follow me. So as we come inside the Beyond from Coachmen, first thing we notice is that it's got beautiful all wood cabinetry. There isn't a bunch of laminated Formica pieces in here. This is all handcrafted, solid lumber, and very, very attractive. It's also got a gorgeous color scheme. And as you look to the back, you'll see that we have the sofa across the back on this model. This is the most popular way a camper van is designed because it allows it to double as a passenger vehicle. So we have seat belts for 3 in the back and 2 in the front. This is a family transport, and you can drive safely with forward-facing seat belts, which is kind of hard to come by in some motorhomes. The other thing is we've got a table that sets up in the middle. So this middle area in the back can be a social area besides transportation. It can be a dining area, and it's a power sofa, so we can make a bed out of it really easily by pushing a button and have either twin beds or make a queen bed all the way across. We also have our entertainment system back here with home theater and a flat screen TV on an arm that swings around so you can see it from the various seats. There's a tremendous amount of storage. I also want you to know that this design is great because there's a lot of windows and a lot of light. Sometimes small coaches get to feeling a little congested with all their cabinets and things in the way, and this one really does have a lot of visibility and a lot of open feel. Now, as we go forward, one thing we're going to see in the Galley is we have a very large refrigerator. This is a NovaCool fridge, and it's all electric, so you don't have to burn any propane to use this. It runs right off your battery supply. It's highly efficient, and it's a lot bigger than most of the fridges that you see in camper vans. We also have an all-electric cooktop. This has a true induction cooking, which is great because you don't have any open flames in your coach. And it runs right off of your lithium-ion battery package, which leads me to some news. This is the Li3 model. This has a 600 amp hour lithium-ion battery system and a great big inverter and a great big set of solar panels, and it'll operate this whole coach without having to run a generator at all. So you've got a real off-grid versatility with this coach. It's one of the big features on the Beyond, specifically with the Li3 package. Now, another thing this has going for it is that this uses the Truma heating system, which is great because it works on both electricity or propane, either one. This has a fully integrated safety system with, obviously the lane alert systems and all the kinds of things that you would want, airbags galore to be safe in this vehicle. Has a GPS system, it integrates with your phone. One of the features I like the best is it has a manual override for the automatic transmission, which means I can easily downshift when I'm going down a long hill to control speed and also save my brakes. There's a lot more to talk about in here, and I hope you come and see it in person because there's just a tremendous amount of stuff here. So thank you very much for watching the video about the Coachmen Beyond Li3. I'd like to show it to you in person or talk to you about it anytime. There's a lot more to discuss. So feel free to give me a call. My name is Matt Elliott. You can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.